two ways of representing a vector. One is symbolic way, and the other one is pictorial. Let me talk about pictorial. We know that the vector is represented in this way, where this is known as tail. Okay, it represents magnitude or length of vector, where this is head. It represents direction, right? Represent direction of vector. This is pictorial representation. What is a symbolic representation? I can say that the A, first for suppose A is a vector, and for representing the direction I can write that this is a with a vector. This is known as arrow. So this means this is a vector. It indicates direction. This is a vector. And modulus basically means distance. Now this is magnitude of a vector. Vector. And one thing, writing like this A, it also means magnitude of vector, we can say, right? Both have same meaning, magnitude of vector and the magnitude of vector, right? Yes, both have the same meaning. And then we have one more way to write it, is that we can write it's as same as like that, which means it has magnitude. And yes, one more thing, it has and direction. So this is a thing. Now I'm gonna tell you about one thing for indicating the direction in this. Okay, so this is north, south, west and east, right? For example, I have an angle here which is 45 degree. We know that this angle is generated or initiated from the east and moving toward the north, so we can say that it is northeast. I'm sorry. Now here from I can write it 45 degree. So this is west of north, which means the angle is generated from north side and it's moving toward the west. And I like that 30 degree, for example. So this is west of south. The angle is initiated or generated from south and moving toward the west. So we can write that this is north of east, west of south, and west of north. This is west of north. I'm sorry, I might have mistaken. This is west of south, and so as like this, so like here as well. After plotting point, we're going to integrate that. So this is pretty obvious. This is all about vector, and now I'm going to discuss about some main points or some key points related to vector. Key points. First thing, on rotating the vector 2 pi, that the vector 2 pi direction or vector does not change. The first thing. The second, we can the parallel shifting, the angle the parallel shifting of vector. Shifting of vector, what does it mean? Let me just write it. That we can shift vector parallelly if it's needed, right? If it's needed. For example, I have a vector like this. Does it making sense? No. And here we have an angle 30 degree, and this is 360 minus 30, which is 0. 6 minus 3, 330 degree. This is the angle 330 degree. Now we are pretty obvious that we can't find out the angle of any vector if it's joined from head to tail. For that we need to correct it, like we have to join it from tail to tail. It's just like this. Now it's 30 degree. No, it's not entirely 30 degree. It's like this. Now we're gonna find the angle here. We know that now we have shifted angle. This is 180, right? This is 180. So 180 minus 30, 0. 8 minus 3, 6. 7, 8 minus 3 is like 50. This is 150. And that one criteria that we need that for it is that the theta must be greater than 0 and less than equal to 180, this angle. So these are the some key points here, and the one more key point that it should be joined from tail to tail in order to get a desired angle, right? So that's it.